What's going on, everybody? This is All Pro Exterior Services again, here with a house wash. I guess this is a house. I don't know if this is a house or a mobile. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and blow the roof off, clean the gutters out. That's what we got called for when we talked about house washing. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the house. And you see, get some funk on this side, clean it all up for them. Got a whole house, Jenny. Yeah, baby. Clean the back. Got a little bit of unit. Clean the back of it. We're gonna hit the shed too right away. And I'm gonna pull a deary on them, and I'm gonna hit. This is kind of bad. I don't know. Oh, it ain't too bad. We'll clean it up. So I'll pull a deary on them. Hit the shed too. So Tony's on property protection. The roof will probably take 10 minutes. Take longer to get the ladder down and to blow it off in the gutters. And then, yeah, so he's on property protection. That's our number one. Hook up your water. Property protection. Property protection vice president, right over there. We're going to be using the AR45 roof pump. I say roof pump, gas pump. I don't know why people call it roof pump. I call mine AR45 house wash pump. So that's what we're going to be rolling with. And I did change this valve. Is that so valve? Because these type valves, the banjo type, the crack pressure is too high. I had problems pulling soap. So I did change that, and it's a lot better. So let's actually see where we at on soap. Okay, so we're about, it's almost full, but not quite. That's good. And then let's see where we at on SH. I'm gonna get some more SH. So we're about 24 gallons. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling hose. Actually, I'm gonna probably pull a ladder for Tony. Set that up for him so he can get rolling on it. And then we'll be out here soon. On to the next one. All right, catch up in a minute. All right, peace. How do we property protected's done? Tony's about to jump on the top, clean it out. I'm gonna start on this side of the house at the shed. Work my way this way. And then finish off this way, so that way my hose is in line so I can rail it up. So let's check our situation here. We're gonna go with on 4 on the soap, 3 on the SH, full open on the ball valve. Got my bypass pressure off. I'm gonna go ahead and fuel it up real quick and get it cranked up, and I'll get some footage in the back. All right, peace. All right, everybody, got it pulling out. There you go. And I turned it way down. I'm just gonna pre-wet this a little bit. It is metal. I got the pump turned down a little bit. So, no need to run a high volume when you don't need it. So we're gonna go ahead and wet this down. Since it is metal, let's put a nice little coat on it of water and hit it with some bleach. All right, let's go ahead and turn our SH on. SH is on. Got a little bit of a wind today. And I want to also say I did one of my partners, my local competitor, my paisano, Mike, if you listen, what up? He built his roof pump recently, and he used the 5/8 hose that he had for his 12 volt. And I tell you, man, that thing's got a lot more. Well, I say a lot more. It's got more flow. I could tell the difference when you're holding the gun, pulling on the trigger. We went and did some testing, washed his roof, and worked out well. So let's see when we're getting some bleach here. Looks like we're starting to get some soap. There you go. So hit those corners good, so you can hit it all from here. Really nice. Just be cognizant of your surroundings too when you're washing. You know, if you got a high wind, you don't want to be blowing bleach on everybody's property. Yeah, the soap's much better. Wow. Soap's much better. Get that door really good. Window's good. We're gonna probably have to go get some SH after this job, or maybe after the next job. We're gonna go do a driveway and some gutter cleaning after this, so. Yeah, that's the nasty side too. Good to be out here. It's 80 degrees here in New Orleans. Living the dream, baby. I don't know if I can reach that pump. I mean that. Yeah, we can reach it. Pull a deery on them. Clean the tank a little lanyard, like we said here in New Orleans, a little lanyard. I'll catch the other side on the other when I get over there, but okay. Got the shed, the back, the side. Been there a few minutes, not too long. I'll go ahead and wet my wood down here. Just extra cautionary. I'm using some chem, so you know we don't want to damage anything we don't have to before I start soaping. And then I'll soap the front, and I'll soap that side, hit that tank one more time, and then we'll be done. I think we've been here 30 minutes. Here at the finish up the house, about 45 minutes. You can see our soap went down a little bit, a little more normal. So check valve looks like it's working. Bleach, where were we? I don't even remember. We were about 22. I think we was at 24 or 28, I don't remember. Anyway, did well. I did have to up the bleach a little bit, cock this a little bit, so I'm gonna open that up. Next job I'm gonna use 4. All right, guys, we're gonna go collect, wrap up, move on to the next one. And look, one thing, anytime you take property protection off, bring you a damp rag, wipe around it, because anything you cover is going to be dirty, of course. So we're going to go ahead. All right, peace. All right, everybody, on another job here. Just doing got called for a gutter cleaning. Anthony's on the roof blowing it out, and I upsole a driveway. So again, you know, it's about packaging some deals together. While you're here, you might as well. I mean, this will take us 30 minutes to get in and out of this joint. And so we're gonna, and all I got is gutters in the front. So I got the hose ran for the big machine. Got the surface cleaner about ready. Filling up some water while he does that. And I'm gonna use my wand first, do my cut-ins, and then go from there. And I just use a. Let me show you what I use. I use a. Okay, where is it at here? Oh, here it is. I just use this is a, I don't know, 4 or 5 foot gun. But I use my J-Rod tip, the high rinse pressure tip. And that seems to work pretty good for me. It's not too high pressure, but it's high enough to get in those corners. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get rolling. And we'll be out of here in a little bit. All right, peace. What's up, everybody? Back at the house. Got everything wrapped up. Got let's see where we at. Yeah, we had to go knock out another driveway, another gutter cleaning, and a little bit of side work and some other stuff. So we're just gonna beat up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and shut it down for the day. With my boy Brew. Hey, Bruno. Anyway, I appreciate it. Well, I want to say this. We do have a problem with the 12 volt. I don't know what it is yet. It's a brand new pump, but every time I switch it to bleach on my 3-way, it gets very weak. But when I'm pulling water, so I'm thinking I got a leak. So we're about to do some diagnosing and see if we can. I'm gonna run a line straight from here into the bleach tank and see how it works, and go from there. I'll keep you guys posted on the next vid. All right, appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.